Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a widget in your Figma design. To add a widget is super easy. Just go ahead and click the Figma main menu on the upper left and you will find widgets in the list. Just hover over that and simply click in manage widgets. Right, you'll be able taken over to this little box here where you can search for whatever widgets you want. And I'm going to just randomly choose something. So let me scroll down and find something that we can use. And yeah, there's not much, but let me type, for example, table, for example, or clock. That could be something. Let's see if there's anything for clock. And there's, for example, a clock right here. They even have a click up widget that you can easily add. That's super cool. So let's work with a clock. If I would like to insert a clock in my design, I can simply click on that. And right here, you can see that it shows and it says run. Just click on run, and that's going to allow you to add it right in. As you can see, it's inserting the clock, and I can add that clock in my Figma design. That is super, super cool, guys. So this is just one example. You can search for whatever widget you want to add within Figma. And once you find that widget, you just click on run, insert it. Depending on the type of widget, you may need to go ahead and wait a bit. Normally, if you're adding, for example, plugins, it is super faster. But if you're adding the widgets, you just need to go ahead and just be a little bit patient. But you can see right here that I add the widget inside. You can move it around wherever you want. You can always go to details of it. You can always, make some changes to it if you need to, and all that good stuff, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. Or you can easily go ahead and add widgets into your Figma design.